Rhinos have put on 73 for 3 at this stage. It could be an interesting one, and I have the man behind the movement, that is the CCL, Mr. Vishnu Induri, if I can call you that. It's so good to see you smile because you've been so tense throughout this entire tournament. You've been on your phone literally throughout. Have you even seen the matches?
It's an exciting journey, and basically we've been under tremendous pressure because we should stand up to the expectations of the franchise owners, the key stakeholders and everyone, because we haven't expected this season to grow this big. We thought we will be at this stage after third or fourth season, but second season has become much bigger than what we expected.
I mean, you've already crossed borders in the sense that you've gone to an international venue. You brought across referees from Sri Lanka as well, so you've done that. So what next? I hear rumors that you're planning to go now to like the more rural areas and stage the matches there. Is that right?
Yeah, the next step would be going into deeper second-grade towns in each of these states, because stars have huge fan base in the second-grade towns. And apart from that, we are also thinking of having...
It's okay, stop. Continue.
Yeah, we are also planning to have a Super Sixes version, shorter version, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, weekend version, sometime in June, so that people are in touch with CCL.
How long did this entire process take though, Vishnu? Because, you know, it must be so difficult to manage the schedule of so many superstars. You know, they are... But clearly the inception of this must have been a while ago.
Basically, we've been working on it since last couple of years. I did the first Tollywood trophy with Telugu Film Stars in 2003. And since then, I always wanted to take it to the next level. But it took almost 7 to 8 years to realize the dream. And God's grace, everything fell in place last year. Most of the stars were our side. They supported us unconditionally, and here we are.
It certainly is. The venues have been something else. I mean, the fans of the venues have been so receptive, so I'm sure that makes you smile. But look, have you watched the teams? Do you have any predictions for the semi-finals, you know?
Yeah, I have my own favorites, but...
You have to say. Okay, you have to say.
But I can't say that because...
You can't. Hey, no. You can't say I have my favorites and then not tell us. Come on, Vishnu.
Anyways, Tollywood is in the semi-finals. I would expect the home team, that's the Chennai Rhinos, to be in semis. Then we have Karnataka, which is excellent team. Then Bollywood and Kerala, Bengal, all of them.
You just named all 6 teams, Vishnu. That's very diplomatic.
No, the next two...
We've run out of teams.
The next 2 matches are very critical. It's almost like a quarterfinals, so I'm sitting fingers crossed.
And what about the actors themselves? Have you been impressed by anyone in particular as a cricketer rather than an actor?
I really like the way Mr. Mohanlal and Mr. Venkatesh are participating, because they're superstars and they're taking so much time out of their busy schedules, and I'm really impressed, and I thank God and thank them for all this.
Well, thank you so much for taking out the time, and all the best. We're looking forward to the next weekend, which is the big one.
Thank you.
All right, back over to you.
Cool.
That was Vishnu Induri outlining the plans for CCL as we go forward. It's been a good over for the Chennai Rhinos. 10 off it so far. 1 ball yet to come.
Expensive miss earlier on. Well, I shouldn't say expensive, potentially expensive. Vishnu, of course, courtesy that 6 now, has improved his strike rate to almost 62. Another full toss. Couldn't make it count. He'll be pretty upset with himself. 12 overs gone. It's 84 for 3.